morning everyone. So today topic electrical capacitance. So what is a electrical capacitance? So very easy. So charge Q, any charge of body, is directly proportional to the electrical potential. Okay. So Q is equal to CV, where C is constant. It is called capacitance and its unit Farad. So simple, first concept is the unit of Farad. Okay, and is the dimension C is equal to Q by V. So very easy, C is equal to Q by V and V is equal to क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? What's V is equal to जो simplification electric potential. So electric potential is equal to work done upon time. Work done upon charge. Okay. So putting this value, work done upon charge. Okay. So C is equal to Q dot Q upon W. Okay, W is work done, easy, and Q charge, capital Q charge, small q also charge. So Q charge is dimension 80, again 80, and work done ml2 t minus 2, and this is the separations. And so very easy, m inverse L square, then N, then N minus 2, and t to power minus 2 upside t2, and t also 2 to 4 plus 4, and a, so a square. Okay, so this is the dimensions of capacitance, second concept. Third concept is the dimensions and units using dimension formula. So very easy, in unit of C by using dimension formula. Okay, so easy. C is semitis, M inverse L2 T4 and A square. Okay student, so M for mass is kg. In MK system there are two types and three types, MKS, CGS and FPS and SI also. So MKS system, the full meaning meter, kilogram and second system. Okay student, so C equal to M kg inverse length for meter, and T for second, and A for amperes. Okay, this is the MK system in units by using the dimension. Okay, further CGS system. Okay, so unit is C, is gram inverse centimeter minus 2, second also second, and ampere is nanoampere and straight ampere, ampere minus 2. Okay, so this is the unit of MKS system and CGS system also, and the famous unit is electrical capacitance is Farad. So very easy. Okay, topics, principle of capacitors. So working is principle of capacitor. So very easy, there are two metallic plates, also parallel form at a separation between small d, and parallel formations, and other conductor to donate positive charge. So distribute is uniformly ordered, so positive charge, and so process of internally negative and externally positive. So this is second plate, plate A and plate B. Plate B outside, if any wire is is earthed, so only for negative charge. Okay, so dipolarization reaction, so positive charge inside convert by negative charge. Okay, so dielectric substance and any pair of capacitor in between any conductor, so without any size change, the capacity increased and decreased also use in capacitor. Okay, so very simple. So charge is increased. Okay, so also capacity is increased. Why? So simple. C is equal to Q by V. C is the capacity. Okay, student. So very easy. And Q is the charge. So capacity is directly proportional to the charge. Okay. So using a concept, C is proportional to Q. So charge is increased, also C is increased. Okay. Charge is decreased, so C is decreased. So for example, fan में in capacitors, use in capacitance. Okay. So speed is high and low, depend on this current. Current means charge. Okay. So charge is increased and decreased. P thickness, this, and air the distance between D minus T, in air distance between two plates A and B. Okay, student. So many types of capacitors. So this is the principle of capacitors. Okay. So first concept is a main sigma. Sigma. What is sigma? Sigma is the surface charge density, student. Surface charge density, sigma is equal to Q by A. Okay. So sigma. What is sigma? Sigma is the surface charge density. So we can see surface charge density. So what is surface charge density? Surface charge density is depend in the area. Okay. So first we can see if any pin okay, so this area is the small area. Okay, a small area, but charge is many more, many charge is comparing other side. Okay, students. So depend in this concept, surface charge density, the simple definition, sigma is equal to Q by A, unit per area. This charge present is called surface charge density. Okay, student. So very easy topic, students. Capacitor. So how many types of capacitor? So many more types of capacitor. Some like parallel plate capacitor, spherical capacitor, cylindrical capacitor, and partially filled dielectric constant parallel plate capacitor. So this is the types of capacitor. Okay, but we can see only for two, parallel plate capacitor and spherical capacitor. Okay, student. So first we can see parallel plate capacitor. Okay, student. So very easy. There are two plates. So A and B capital A and capital B, there are two plates capacitor. So parallel, arranged in parallel form, this plate is called parallel plate capacitor. Very simple. And this is also charge present if any inductor is positive charge, and dipolarization reaction regarding this is the negative charge and also positive, but second plate B is earthed and this is the separation between small d. Okay, student. And now sigma plus sigma, and this is also minus sigma. Plus sigma is a surface charge density. So we know that surface charge density sigma is equal to Q by A. This is A is the area, okay, unit per length. Sigma is equal to Q by A. Okay, student. So we know that E equal to dV by dx. Okay, this is the potential difference and this is the separation. Okay, so simply potential V and separation between D. So V equal to E dot D. This is the equation 1. So electrical potential is equal to electrical intensity into separation between two plates. Okay, so it's step 1. And sigma also, sigma is equal to E equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. This is the intensity of electric field if any plate. So using Gauss's theorem we can find the intensity of electric field, okay, using applications of Gauss's theorem. So 4 applications. Intensity of electric field E equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. So putting this value is sigma upon epsilon, okay, and by equation first we get, so V equal to, putting this value in E, above equation. So very easy, student. Okay, V semi is equal E, remove this and putting this value E sigma Q upon epsilon naught and D. Okay, student. So this is the step 2nd. So very easy. V equal to Q by A epsilon naught into D. This is step 2. Now C equal to Q by V is the capacity of capacitor. Okay, this is the capacity of capacitor, yeah, capacitance of capacitor. C equal to Q by V. So putting this value of V, very easy. So Q, this Q cancel out, and further A epsilon naught this and D is also okay. So capacity of capacitor, parallel plate capacitor, this is the formula, but dielectric constant K in middle conditions, middle position. So K is into, okay, and this is the unit of farad. So many more questions are competitive exams in this formula use, you can easily solve. Okay, student. So that's it. So students, related to parallel plate capacitor using formula. So next numericals we can see the board. So what is the area of the plates of a 2 farad? Okay, 2 farad parallel plate capacitor. given that the separation between the plates is 0.5 centimeter. Okay student, so solution very simple. Solution here, C equal to 2F, okay, 2 farad, that means 2 farad. Okay, so separation between two plates is 0.5 centimeter. Centimeter to convert in meter, so we know that divided by 100. So why? So reason, 1 centimeter is converted by meter, so divided by 100, so 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, easy. So convert by centimeter to meter, 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, and we know epsilon naught, this is the fixed value, this is a fixed value, 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square Newton inverse and meter minus 2. Okay, so capacity of a parallel plate capacitance, C equal to A epsilon naught upon D. So where A is the area of a plate, D is the separation between two plates, and epsilon naught, this is the fixed value, okay, 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12, permittivity of free space, this is the permittivity of free space, and this is the value, fixed value, okay, 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. So putting this all values in formula and find out A, D, this side, and epsilon is this. So A equal to CD upon epsilon naught. So C is 2 farad, okay, and D is 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. So very easy, and epsilon naught is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. So point is cancel out. This is the 10. Okay. So very easy. 5 to the 10. So 10 and 10 cancel out. Okay. And divided by 1 upon 8.8. So 1.1 into 10 to the power 9 also. So 10 to the power 12 is outside. So 10 to the power minus 12 minus 2 plus 2. So 10 and 1 this side, and we can solve easily. A equal to, okay, we can see this is 10 minus 2, okay student, so 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 10, this 10 cancel out, 1 by 8.85 10 to the power minus 12, so plus 12, okay, easily 1.185 into 10 to the power 10. So this is the low number and highest number, okay, so easy can be solved. So 10 is separate, so this is the 9, and divided by 10, 8.8, so 1.1 into 10 to the power 9, this is the area, okay, meter square, area units is meter square, so this is the value, okay. So very easy to find the area of plates, okay student. Okay students, so next parallel plate capacitor, so types this, when a dielectric slab partially fill the space between plates, parallel plate capacitors, okay. So we can see the pictures of parallel plate capacitor. When a dielectric slab, this is the dielectric slab, okay, and T is thickness, dielectric slab, and separation between two plates A and B, this is the D, and this air is distance D minus T oblique air in distance D minus T also. So you can see capacity of capacitance of parallel plate capacitor, okay. So C equal to A epsilon upon D minus T, 1 by K. This is the formula, and unit is farad. Okay, so partially filled is dielectric slab is the K and in medium, dielectric medium. Okay, so we know that D equal to T if any case. Okay, so if any case, very easy, D equal to T. Okay, so putting this value in formula, A epsilon naught, same it is. Okay, so D minus D 1 by K. Okay, so we can solve D minus D plus D by K. Okay, so D is D, cancel. So A upside, so A epsilon 0, epsilon naught, K upon D. This is the formula of capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Okay, so C equal to A epsilon naught K upon D, and this is the unit is farad. Okay, so very simple, but maximum competitive exams, this using formula, we can more questions solve. Okay, easily. So students, today lectures is parallel plate capacitor and principle of capacitors. Okay, and capacities. So you are feel and subscribe this channel. I am requested you. So okay, thank you very much.